Alright, so today we're going to be changing the oil in a 2016 WRX. First thing you want to do is remove the oil cap, let air down into the engine. We're going to leave it slightly resting there so we don't get dirt and other things down into there. So you want to get your oil pan set up right below the drain bolt here. And we already loosened it up. We're going to take it out. After you get all the oil drained out from the car, go ahead and get your bolt and put a new crush washer on it, and then go ahead and tighten it back up into the oil pan. Alright, so after you get the bolt back into the oil pan, next you got to remove this oil filter. We already loosened ours a bit. And just go ahead and clean this up. Alright, well, after you get your new oil filter unboxed, go ahead and get some of the oil you took out of the car and lube up the seal. Then go ahead and screw the new oil filter onto the car. Once it starts getting tight, just do a couple quarter turns on it. That's good. Alright, so next, get your funnel, put it in. And the car requires 5.4 quarts of oil. We're going to use Royal Purple 5W30. So we're going to put the oil cap back on. And once we get this back on, we're going to lower the car back to level ground, check the oil, and then check for leaks. So we're going to check the oil, see if we put it the correct amount in. We'll bring it up, clean off the dipstick, and put it back down in. And it should be right in between those two circles, you can see it. Alright, so the last thing we're going to do is let the car run for a couple minutes and then check for leaks, and then we're going to reset the change oil notification. So now we're going to reset the change oil notification.